to round 7 of Club 50, aka products I've used at least 50 times. So we're just gonna dive right in, and first product in is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I love this stuff. I've gone through several miniature travel sizes. I also have 3 full-size bottles of this. There's the one that I'm working on, and I have 2 in reserve ready to go. Not that I intentionally went out of my way to buy them. They came in beauty boxes, but frankly, I would have bought it anyway as soon as it runs out because I really, really like this stuff. So I have a feeling this one is going to reach quite high in the ranks throughout these rounds. I am just saying, I'm calling it now. But yeah, so that is our first product. Product number 2, granted it's one that's empty now, but it definitely made it past 50 uses. It was the EOS Cranberry Pear. But again, it is now empty, but I forget how many rounds in this one made it, but still happy that it's gone. Then we've got the Bath & Body Works Blueberry Lemonade Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. I'm still in love with this bottle. I'm still trying to figure out if I'm gonna upcycle it or not. I still haven't made a decision one way or the other, but I really like this one. It's so cute. Then we have the BH Cosmetics Naughty Eyeshadow Palette. It's like a big ol' one. And there's a lot of shades in it. At a quick glance, it probably doesn't look like they've all been used, but they have all been used at least once, I assure you. Most of them many more times than once. You can see some pretty sizable dips in some of them, but yeah, given this is a 1, 2, 3, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what's 5 times 6? 3? Yeah, so there was 30 uses just off of trying each one once, but it totally still going. Yeah. Both of my Project 10 uses rounds that I've done so far have had shades from this one turn up in it, so that is also helping add to the number count for this one. I'm kind of thrilled about it because I do really like this palette. So, we have that. We have got, where is it? Where are you hiding, little guy? The Sweet Chef Ginger and Vitamin C Serum Shot. This was the only one of these that I actually liked, and I incidentally had 2 of it. Just by chance. I didn't do that on purpose. That was just by chance that I had a second one of it in a different pack. So that's how this one hit 50 and the other ones didn't. But if there was one to hit 50 with, I'm glad it was this one because I did like it. It did work well. Didn't like it enough to like go out and buy the full size, but I enjoyed what I had of it. But anyway, so there's that one. We've got the Signature Care Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. It's literally just makeup wipes from Safeway. It ain't nothing special, but I use them a lot, so yeah, obviously this is gonna go way beyond 50, but just from where I started tracking uses on them, yeah. So there's those. We have the Ipsy Refreshments Pacific Fizz Breezy Deodorant. Again, now empty, but I liked it. It smelled good, but was it my fave? No, there's definitely better natural deodorant brands out there than just Ipsy's house brand, but I wanted to try it just so I could say I've tried it. I still want to try the other scents. I have them, I just need to actually use them. So anyway, but yeah, this one was fine, I guess, but not my fave. Then was the Bath & Body Works Endless Weekend Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. This one I have had many times over. I'm sure I will have many times over again in the future. I really like this one a lot, so yeah, just saying. Wouldn't be surprised if this one goes way high in the rankings by alternate bottles of this also counting towards it. Then we have the Garnier Fructis Color Shield Fortifying Conditioner. The shampoo made it into the next round. This was like right at the end of this round. There was only one more product after it. And this one had like an extra use or 2 on it than the other one. That's why they're not in the same round. But yeah, this is what I use to try to help the longevity of my hair color. It's not very vibrant right now because I've done 6 months without doing it. I really need to color my hair. These roots are crazy. But anyway, made it in. I buy this a lot. But again, I only started counting this, like, I forget when. So there definitely was higher usage counts on this than just this. And then the last product in right now is just my EOS Jade Matcha Tea Lip Balm, since, you know, I have it in the Lippies of the Week thing now every single time, and I'm keeping it in until it's gone. We're down to here, guys. We're down to here, in case you don't watch those videos. Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, you can see it better at that angle, because it was, like, getting the light, but, yeah. It's a slow burn, but that's how EOS runs when you use the spheres. They're always a slow burn with them, but I enjoy it. I like them, so... Anyway, that was round 7 of Club 50, so anyway, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.